Hi everybody and welcome to another 5-minute masterclass. Today's topic is expanding triple brackets. Okay, so to expand triple brackets, we need to remember that what this is asking us to do is to multiply. So I'm multiplying everything in the first term by everything in the second bracket, multiplied by everything in the third. And remember that multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter which order we do things in. So what I'm going to do is just focus on these first two brackets here, and I'm going to multiply them together first. So I'm going to go x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. And we know how to deal with double brackets from our prior learning. So x times x is x squared, x times 2 is 2x, 1 times x is 1x, and 1 times 2 is 2. That simplifies down to x squared plus 3x plus 2. Now what we need to remember is we need to multiply everything in the first two brackets by everything in this third. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply those three terms, that x squared plus 3x plus 2, by everything in the final bracket, this x plus 3. Now I'm expecting to have 6 terms written down here, so go carefully. I'm going x squared times x, which is x cubed, x squared times the 3, which is 3x squared. There's 3x times x, which is another 3x squared. 3x times 3, which is 9x. 2 times x, which is 2x. And 2 times the 3, which is 6. Now I'm nearly done, but the question asks me to simplify. Now I can simplify like terms, so I've got the same variable. So x cubed, there's nothing else here that I can simplify. But there's 3x squared and 3x squared I can collect those like terms. And there's 9x and 2x I can also collect like terms. So this is going to give me a final solution of x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. I've got my 4 terms simplified from here and I'm done. Example 2 looks a bit different because it's a double bracket at the moment, but notice this x plus 1 squared. That means I can rewrite this because it's asking me to do 3x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 squared. Remember, x plus 1 squared means to multiply by itself. It's actually what we do have here is a triple bracket again. It doesn't matter which way you multiply them, but I'm just going to start with the first two. So I'm going to multiply that 3x minus 1 multiplied by that x plus 1. If I do that, I get 3x squared plus 3x minus an x minus 1. Remember, negative 1 times positive 1. When we tidy this up, 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Now we're not finished, we need to multiply that by the final bracket. So I'm multiplying all of this. So there's 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, all multiplied by the x plus 1. Again, I'm expecting 6 terms to be written down now because we're multiplying each one of these 3 terms by the 2 in the final bracket. So 3x squared times x is 3x cubed. 3x squared times 1 is 3x squared. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times 1, negative 1. Just be careful when you multiply in with negative numbers to ensure that you've got the correct sign. I now need to simplify these terms to complete my question. So I can simplify these x squared terms and I can simplify these x terms here. So I'm going to reduce this down by simplifying. 3x cubed, there are no other like terms. 3x squared and 2x squared equals 5x squared. 2x take away x is 1x. And I've got this negative 1 at the end. And I'm done. Okay, over to you then. Pause the video, try these questions. When you're ready, press play. Time for you to mark your work. I hope you've been successful. And if you need any further practice, have a go at Sparks, Corbett or Maths for further videos and questions to support your learning. Thank you for your time today, and I'll see you again for another 5-minute masterclass.